Good afternoon, and welcome to the roundtable discussion on ocean acidification. Hoax or reality? The evidence is mounting that the climate alarmists have been taking us all for a ride. They are already scrambling to breathe new life into the CO2 emission scare. Increasing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere does not cause any significant climate change. Thus, it will be necessary to blame CO2 for some other catastrophic event. The media has already churned out headlines such as "Marine life faces acid threat," "Acid oceans need urgent action," "Acid seas fuel extinction fears," "Mussels face extinction as oceans turn acidic," "Pollution to devastate shellfish by turning seas acidic." The word acid is used over and over again, yet there is not the slightest possibility that seawater will turn to acid or even become mildly acidic. So this is a drivel. The claim that pH has changed by 0.1 units over the last 200 years, well, it was not possible 100 years ago, never mind 200 years ago, to measure pH to the accuracy necessary to support that claim. So that's just ridiculous. Also, notice that CO2 is branded human pollution, though CO2 is an entirely natural, absolutely essential nutrient for plant photosynthesis, without which all life on Earth would certainly become extinct very quickly. We should note that if lower alkalinity were so unfavorable to shellfish as is claimed, then we would have no freshwater shellfish and snails. But yet we do. The freshwater mussel has lived for thousands of years in waters that are genuinely acidic and with highly variable pH, not only seasonally, but geographically. With spring snowmelt and high rainfall, the pH of rivers and lakes can fall to below pH of 5. And experiments have shown that mussels can survive this acidity indefinitely without any negative effects to their shells. And just in case you're wondering, a pH of 5, which is an acid, has 1,000 times as many acidic hydrogen ions per unit as seawater, and 100 times more than pure water. This is not to say that sea creatures can survive in fresh water. They're adapted to radically different saline environment, and the point at issue is that the idea of a small change in ocean pH due to increased dissolved carbon dioxide having a negative effect on marine shells of living organisms is not as obvious as the alarmists make out. Thank you and have a wonderful day.